Planking is a simple exercise that has gained popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. But what happens to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day? In this video, we'll explore the many benefits that planking can provide. Improved core strength. One of the primary benefits of planking is its ability to improve core strength. The core muscles, including the abs, back, and hips, are all engaged when you hold a plank, which helps to build strength and stability over time. A strong core is important for maintaining good posture, reducing the risk of injury, and improving athletic performance. Better posture. Spending long hours sitting at a desk or looking at a computer screen can lead to poor posture, which can cause back pain and other posture-related issues. Planking can help to improve posture by strengthening the muscles in your back, neck, and shoulders, which can help to counteract the effects of prolonged sitting. Increased balance and stability. Planking requires you to maintain a stable position, which helps to improve your balance and stability. This can translate to improved athletic performance and reduced risk of injury, particularly in activities that require good balance, such as sports or dance. Reduce stress and anxiety. Planking can also have a calming effect on the body and mind. Holding a plank position for 5 minutes can help to reduce stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and reducing tension in your muscles. This can help to improve your overall mental well-being and reduce symptoms of stress-related conditions such as depression and anxiety. Improved flexibility. Planking requires you to stretch and engage your muscle, which can help to increase your flexibility over time. This can improve your overall athletic performance and reduce the risk of injury, particularly in activities that require a high level of flexibility, such as yoga or gymnastics. It's important to note that while planking is a safe and effective exercise, it's important to start slowly and build up your strength and endurance over time. If you're new to planking, start with short periods of time and gradually increase the length of your plank as your strength and endurance improves. In conclusion, planking for 5 minutes every day can provide numerous benefits for your body. From improved core strength and better posture to increased balance and stability, reduced stress and anxiety, and improved flexibility, planking is a simple and effective way to improve your overall health and fitness. So, why not add 5 minutes of planking to your daily routine today? Your body will thank you.